Hey, welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and this is a bit of news about the Surface and Surface Pro 2 tablets. Microsoft has announced there will be an event on September 23, that's Monday, this coming Monday, and pretty much everyone is saying that it's news about the new Surface and Surface Pro tablets. Keep in mind that the Surface RT is not mentioned here, and the reason for that is that, first of all, the news is that Surface RT brand name is actually removed, and they will call the Surface RT only Surface, and they will call the Surface and continue having or calling the Surface Pro a Surface Pro, but it's going to be Surface Pro 2. Now, Paul Thurrott on his winsupersite.com website has some interesting details about this. Pretty much the only one that has a few specs and details that are emerging. So he's talking about the Surface Pro 2 that has improved kickstand. Internal changes also are coming. So is Microsoft building a Surface RT 2? Yes, but it's only called Surface 2, so that we know. Name change. So if you see a Surface, don't be fooled. If you don't want to have the RT version, don't be fooled. If you see a Surface tablet, it's an RT tablet. And there will be a Surface Pro 2 that will run Intel's latest line of chips, a Haswell based Core i5, so probably going to be with a 4th generation Intel Core i5, which should give pretty good performance. But what's even better is that the Haswell Intel chips are really power saver chips compared to the other Core i5s, for example. They really are better in power versus battery life. So what's gonna be interesting is that apparently Surface Pro is going to rate and go up to 5 hours of battery life, and even possible 7 hours in some tests. Of course, that always depends on what you're going to do with your computer. If you have a laptop, you already know probably that half of the time when you see in the stores, oh, this laptop is 6 hours of battery life, when you actually use your laptop, you notice that you don't have 6 hours, you maybe have 3 hours or 4 hours. And if you use it heavily, watch movies or watch videos, you notice that it really drops fast. So it's really an average, and it depends on what you're doing. If you're just doing email and surfing the web, some websites and stuff like that, yeah, you'll get close to the normal battery life that they talk about. The RAM, Surface Pro 2 will have a choice of RAM, but probably going to have more RAM. The actual Surface Pro actually has 4 GB, and now there's a talk of probably an 8 GB RAM, possibly. Apparently the devices will look pretty much alike, actually look quite identical to the Surface Pro that is right now. There's a change in the kickstand apparently, so there's going to be a integrated 2-position kickstand. Still no talk about any other information about prices, and of course there should be still 64 and 128 gig Surface Pros. So that's pretty much the detail we have out right now. We'll have much more information Monday, September 23, when Microsoft has its event, of course. So that's something to look for. By the way, if anyone wants to learn more about Windows and in general and what's happening in Microsoft, Paul Thurrot's Super Site for Windows. Great website to learn more and more every day on what's happening. So please go visit Paul Thurrot's Super Site. It's www.winsupersite.com, and it's a great site for any type of Microsoft and Windows news in general, and of course with some slight divergence or comparing different systems. For example, if today you go to the WinSuper site, the first thing that you'll see, apart from this little ad, is the iOS 7. So they're talking about iOS 7 and comparing it a little bit to Windows phones, for example. So hey, go and visit that cool Paul Thurrott site, one of the great websites about Microsoft and Windows. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe to our channel, and hey, give us thumbs up for any video that you like. If you have comments, questions, maybe you have a website, an app, a feature of Windows 8 you'd like us to talk about, let us know. We'll try to put that video online. You'll be helping others at the same time. And hope that you enjoy our channel. If you have that new Windows 8 machine or planning to buy one, well, this is a great website to learn how to use Windows 8 to the max. So thanks for watching, and hope to see you again on the official Windows 8 channel.